Well guys, we're cutting a little CRP today. They opened this county up a couple weeks ago, and this is the first day I was finally able to get all my paperwork done to be able to do it. And this doesn't look like too bad stuff. Blue stem, and I'm not sure what the other thing is. That stuff right there that I'm about to mow off. What is that? Does anybody know? That tall stuff with the heads? It's blooming now. Just like this blue stem is blooming now. I don't know what it is, Mr. Geiger, maybe you know, or Tom. Must have been a giant badger hole or something there. So I got those two kinds of grasses, and I saw a little side oats up here, I think. And some trees. You look over here, there's a lot of trees. That's mostly brome up there. So that's all pretty well mature and brown, and at least this stuff is nice and green yet. There's some trees. Cut them trees off. I'll have to fish them out when I rake it, but see if I can find some of that side oats. This is what I think I got. This is side oats right here. Right there, that stuff. It's got all the heads on one side of the stem. I'm calling that side oats. I think that's what that is. They call it side oats because all the seeds are on the side. There's another bunch. A little closer. Side oats. And I'm calling that stuff blue stem. And I'm not sure what the other stuff is. You have to help me out. I'll add on to the end of the video here the grass that we got. We used to have a whole meadow of blue stem, but darn red clover kind of choked it out. So those guys, they put this pole up here last year, and I ran over this block of wood. I didn't see it. And what do you suppose is in that block of wood? Guess what? Huh. A nice nail. Found myself a perfect nail to pound into something. There was actually two of them in there. Luckily, they were pointed down. Oh, there's that badger pile we hit. Made the thing slide sideways. All right, well, you've seen CRP cut before. I'm gonna show you real quick this grass that I don't know what it is. Here, what is this stuff right here? And this long head on it. This is almost done blooming. What is that stuff? Very furry head. That's all done blooming already. Long single stem. And then over here we got, well, there's a whole bunch of it. I don't know what it is. And then over here, this tall stuff here, this is blooming too. This is my blue stem. See how purple it is? That's more of a clump grass. And right here, I'm gonna call this side oats. Wouldn't you call that side oats? Gamma? Is it grandma? All that stuff. So, all right, well, Tom or Jack or I don't know, maybe Larson, do you know, anybody that watches this, if you know what that is, let me know. Like I said, this is the blue stem, and I don't know what this is. And I'm pretty sure that other stuff is side oats. So, this ain't too bad of stuff. There's up here on the hill, there's a lot of old growth in there. But there's a lot of green in there too, so it'll make a few bales. So, all right. Later.